electrical. When you have an electrical problem, who are you going to trust with it? What is their background? I've been doing electrical since the 80s. I have master techs working for me. I have the proper equipment. I specialize in electrical and air conditioning. Not only do you have to have the proper equipment, the proper mechanics, but the proper support system. We at Francisco's Automotive work as a team. I have six techs working for me. I give a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. We give you a ride home and pick you up if we need to. So visit us at franciscosautorepair.com. Thank you.